Alright, sit rep. So, went ahead, cleaned out my lint brush, and look at what we had inside. Nigga, lint brush in my debris container. I had some children's place tags. You know who buys children's place? Not me. A band-aid. I had lint in there. Lego. More Legos. Okay. More Legos. A screw, which I can assure you is almost from IKEA. And all of that stopped my water from draining out, which in turn caused me to be unable to open my door for the wash machine. And after pulling out the drain plug, she is draining as she should. And I was able to get up all this water that was down on the floor, ran up under there. It didn't leak. So when I pulled the drain plug for the debris, which is down here, when I pulled that, the water came out. It looked like it was only be a little bit, but like I said, it drained for 20 minutes. Then when I actually unscrewed the debris filter, that's when I had a nice little gush of water come out. So, door. I had to move the dryer as well to get that stuff out. But yeah, that's it. So now I guess I can actually go to my real job and go fix some clouds today. So I'm sure somebody will have a memory leak of some sort. But this is the day in the life of a OpenStack operations engineer, fixing wash machines before he goes in and fixes your cloud and diagnoses your RabbitMQ issues and your Neutron issues and Ceph, Nova, and Keystone and all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead, put my laptop in my bag, and get into the office. And I will see you all on the other side of this support.